Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Us Riding Around in the Tractor, episode 4.
Yep, and we're gonna make it to 10 episodes, I think. So make sure it's another warning or disclaimer or something. Turn down your earphones if you have earphones on because you're gonna hear the tractor noise.
Hurts.
Yep, so Dylan's gonna walk to side us all the way to the woods and then he's gonna get in, right?
And I will be in this place.
Yep, so
And it's gonna
we're
be
go
very
into
spiky.
this and then he's gonna drive down to the garden. Okay, let's go. Come on, Dylan. Start walking.
I want to eat my people.
Okay,
You want to
start
eat your
walking.
people.
I want to eat people.
Start walking, Dylan.
Eat some delicious food.
We're waiting on Dylan.
Oh, I want to eat people.
Come on, Dylan.
Eat people.
Okay, go. Start walking.
Eat people.
Come on, Dylan.
Come on now, Jack Fox TV. Hey TV.
Gotta say anything?
Hey Kansas. Hey South Carolina. Yeah boy. Yeah boy. My boy.
So if you guys are California or whoever, if you're watching this, comment down below where you from, because he's announcing where people live. So yeah.
Japan, Pakistan, India,
Oh my butt.
Iran, the moon,
The moon? Nobody's hardly gonna be from the moon.
Mars,
Really?
summer planet,
A summer planet. What planet is that?
summer planets, the Pokemon
Oh my
world. Summer planet is the Pokemon world.
Oh.
Mackenzie's being confident.
So fun! I'm Filmer.
Okay, Dylan, come and drive down the hill. I'll hold your pops. You can hold one popsicle.
It's wet in there.
Let me see your butt. That's hilarious. Okay, let me hold.
Looks
one
like he peed his pants.
It's wet in
Now
the,
go, Dylan.
It's wet in the trailer.
You're gonna. Do you know where the burn pile is by the garden? Okay, drive down there. Can you drive with one hand?
I drive like painful.
Okay, scoot the seat back. Scoot the right here. At the bottom right here. This thing, lever, and pull that.
Sorry, I'm not in it so much.
Now push your butt back. Is that how far you need it back? Can you touch the pedal?
I'm getting hot.
Yeah, my boy.
Okay. Hurry.
Yeah, my boy.
Oh, I'm scared. Let's put all the way down this way, and the water wouldn't reach.
Careful. That's where we got stuck.
Watch for cars.
I love this view, do you? She said yes. Yes. Hey guys, any of Dylan's friends? I'm just saying hi because I know 3 of them because I saw them. Well, hi. These videos are so funny. Anytime we do a video, it's like we're always laughing. Usually her. Sorry, the camera's shaking a bunch because there's rocks and it's a tractor, so yeah. But I don't mean to shake this. It's not on purpose. It's so bright now.
Okay, you have to back it into the burn pot. I'll do it. Hold your top.
Also, you got a lot of them on his head.
Ow! I stubbed my toe, bro. Y'all ready? Back it up into the burn pot.
I'm gonna show them like the thing. Say hi.
Hi, Summer.
Summer, if you're watching that, Summer, if you're watching this, then he said hi. As you know, he loves you.
Unlatch the latch, Dylan. Unlatch the latch.
Can I drive it?
Not by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Unlatch the latch, Dylan. Unlatch it, Dylan. Pull. Okay.
Popsicle. Ugh. Hey Dylan, wanna record? Don't get your sticky hands on that. I heard you. You said code 3.
Keep on running, keep chasing yourself.
Hey Dylan.
when.
Okay, that's good. It's a weed smell like.
Dylan, chase yourself.
Film, Dylan. Is it gonna go down right? Dylan, do you want to drive? Do you want to drive, Dylan? Dylan,
Yeah.
I can record. Dylan's gonna drive.
I said I can record.
You're gonna drive with him, right? Can Angelina drive with you?
Yeah.
Okay, then y'all are gonna drive together. Look at there. And I'm gonna sit right
I
here.
can drive so you can eat that.
You're not driving by yourself.
I know.
You can drive. Come on, Dylan, hurry.
That smells.
Throw it back here. Okay, we gotta go. Let's go. Next stop is our chickens. Come on. Get in.
Because if you're going to laugh, you're going to go.
Come on, Dylan, get in. What? You tripped.
Like,
Ew, Dylan. Did you pee your pants? Okay, Dylan, get in the driver's seat. We gotta go down to the chickens.
It's drippy drip.
it's drippy drip.
Come on, will you?
Come on.
Come on, Dylan, let's go. Your vlog's waiting for you.
I got my food.
Okay, hurry. Dylan, we're waiting. Hurry. I'm going in. You want to start the tractor and pull it around? You're not heavy enough. Don't try again. You're not heavy enough. Turn it off. Turn it off. Don't, Angelina. Okay, Dylan's done. Let's go. Turn it off. Golly, why didn't you turn the key?
Dylan.
Okay, let's go. Let Dylan fit in first. Dylan, go ahead. Hold your hat tight. Your phone's... Okay, go.
Don't touch that yet.
That's what we're doing right now. I'm hiding this in the shade because... Okay, go! Come on, Dylan, help her. Hey! You can't whip it around that fast. You have to go slow. Why in the world, Dylan? Okay, whatever. We're good. Let's go! Faster! Bad. let's go check on the chickens. Come on, Dylan, let's go check on the chickens.
I want to film.
Huh? Okay. And Dylan, don't. It's not gonna fall, Dylan.
In Austin's garage.
Okay, let's go. Let's see what they're doing. You wanna drive back to Dylan? Dylan, catch a chicken for your video.
Get a
Him
big.
catching a chicken. Go follow him, Angie. Oh, it's blue in here. Nice. Nice.
Mom.
Wait, Dylan, let. Okay. Will she peck me? Will she peck me, Dylan? Hold on to her. Get her wings. Get her wings now. And there's how you get them on chicken. And I believe that's my chicken. I think.
No, yours is the polka dotted ones.
Dylan, will she peck me?
No, it's a boy.
Oh, it's a boy? Why was it laying eggs? Make it peck you, Dylan. Oh! If it pecks me, it's your fault, Dylan. So, yeah.
Down in the garage with Austin.
Okay, let's go.
This video is pretty long. Got 17 minutes.
Whoa.
It is.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's good. Okay.
Dylan, it's that little battery.
Wait.
Ducky. Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Go.
Okay, we're good. Let's get in the back, Dylan. Let's go.
I want to go in the back. I'm just kidding. Here.
Sorry about that. We got 4 eggs. Shut that gate, Dylan. Okay, Angie. We'll put these 4 eggs right here in this cup holder. Right there in the
filming that exactly.
Dylan, you're gonna be in the back.
filming.
Sit down. I was filming this. Sit down in the back, Dylan.
It's only I don't know how to drive it.
Sit down. Don't start it, Angie. No, Dylan, you have to sit back there with them because they'll bust. Come on, Dylan.
Mackenzie, get down in the garage with Austin's head.
So I'm gonna be.
Here you go.
Dylan, you film.
Here.
Dylan's filming.
Dylan can't film. Can you film? Put the eggs in your shirt. Like, put them in your shirt. Oh, that was kind of cool. There you go. Film.
Down in the
Okay.
down in the garage. Down in the ghost garage. In Austin's garage.
No, Angelina, you don't even know.
Pedro's garage. Come on. Come on, boys.
egg break?
No.
Ew, you set them in that. Disgusting. Gross. Thanks for watching episode 4.
Now I can
Episode 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be coming out.
Are you ready to say bye, Dylan? Dylan, wait. Stay in there, and then we'll say bye.
Goodbye.
Dylan, Mackenzie, you want to do this? Think.
3, 2, 1, peace.
Bye.